pop filters and pop screens. Filter, shield, or screen. Also dead cat. The dead cats are generally more of a furry fabric, and pop filters and pop shields tend to be a nylon, a stretchy synthetic blend. So what is it? It's a noise protection filter for microphones to reduce or eliminate popping caused by the mechanical impact of fast-moving air on the microphone during recording and speech. So I have this pop shield, and so I can go and put that on my Zoom recorder. And what this is going to do is just protect the microphone from any rushes of air uniformly. So it's this little hat. Pretty much what you want is for it to not make contact with the microphone, but rather sit around. So there's plenty of space inside for the microphones to be shielded but not in contact with the fabric. And all that does is create a barrier for the air. It doesn't necessarily eliminate popping, but it certainly would reduce it. And the same thing goes for wind. If you're in a windy location, the dead cat, because it's kind of shaggy, it helps with variable wind. Because something like this is uniform, air will just pass through it. It's not that it won't stop wind, but I think that the furrier, the more texture, the more surface, the more it can block directional wind. And you'll see in the photograph here that the pop shield is between the microphone and the person, but it's not attached to the microphone. And the reason you generally don't attach a pop shield to a microphone is that you don't want any vibration traveling to the microphone. So anything attached to it can cause vibration on your recording.